Hey, I'm Herman, product manager of One-Click Report, and today I'm going to show you how you can add your data sources, how you can create your first report, and abilities of One-Click Report product. So let's jump into the product itself. First of all, to be able to create report, you have to add some data sources, and this button here in the header. Click here, and you're able to see the list of the data sources you're able to connect. In my case, I would like to focus on Facebook and Shopify. Let's start from Facebook, for example. I click on Facebook, connect Facebook, and then I'm logging under my account. Okay, perfect. It means that Facebook has been connected and I have to select my ad account. So in my case, I would like to select two ad accounts. This one, for example, and this one. Click apply. And as you can see here, we connected to Facebook accounts, which is nice. Let's add Shopify account. I click here. In this field, I have to input my Shopify store name, like in admin panel, as you can see this format. For example, my store name .myshopify.com. Let's open our Shopify store. It's your Shopify store, and I have to copy subdomain myshopify.com. Go back to data source, input here, and click apply. Then I'm redirected to my admin panel, where I have to install application called Magics for Facebook Ads. I click on Install App, and then I'm redirected back to Data Source tab. Boom! As you can see here, I added one Shopify account and two Facebook accounts, which is nice. So we are ready to create our first report. Going back to homepage, I click Reports, and right now I see my homepage where I'm able to create my first report, either from scratch or selecting some template. As you can see here, we have a list of templates and we have to select one. Important to mention that this template is available if you added Facebook and Google Ads as data sources. Here's for Facebook and Shopify, and so on and so on. In my case, I would like to create a report for one Facebook account, just to track my performance across one Facebook account. Let's preview this one. I can click either here on the card or on this icon. I can imagine how my report will look like with my data. I click on button here to use. And right now, I have to select at least one Facebook account. So let's imagine that I wanted this one. Then I click Create a Report. And boom, as you can see here, we created our first report. Congratulations! So, what can we do else? We have here View mode, and we are able to go into Edit mode. Let's do this. We can do the following. Actually, we can click on Title and rename our report. Let's call it Test Report. Click Save, and boom, that's okay. I'm able to share my report with someone else. I just click here on Share option, then Link Share, Public Link, click here, and this report will be available for everyone who has this link, okay? Or I can download as PDF if needed. I can, for example, select different date range and apply it for all widgets here. Let's select last 7 days. What can I do with these widgets? I can, for example, increase or decrease the size, make it more compact, make it bigger, copy this widget, or delete. Let's imagine that we don't like this one and I would like to delete it and add some new widget. As you can see here, we have the panel where you're able to find some widgets that you can use. For example, Informer, which shows number, line as a chart area, is pretty similar to line, bar, table, some custom text, for example, as this one, pie, as we just deleted, and goal. You can actually set up your goal without the need to update it manually. Let's add Informer, and let's add goal. We see some data here, like account name, type of metric, and metrics, which is available for Facebook right now. We can set up date range specifically for this widget. We can even filter, for example, if you would like to have some data based on campaign or based on age. As you can see here, the list of options you're able to apply. Let's say that we would like to track clicks only for ages from these ranges. And boom, it's applied. We can disable, we can enable back. About goals, actually pretty nice feature. Let's say that we would like to have 100,000 clicks at all for this month. We can actually call it add in subtitle or in title. Let's do it for subtitle. And boom, you can see here subtitle. One more thing I would like to show you, it's table with comparison. Let's imagine that we would like to have some table view and some metrics. Let's say clicks and also impressions. We can use different breakdowns for that. It can be weekdays. So, and I can enable comparison right in the table. I can click here, enable comparison, and select metrics I would like to compare with previous period. And as you can see here, we show trends, which is amazingly helpful. Actually, that's all basics you have to know before creating your amazing report. So if you didn't understand something or you would like to know more about reports and features, so let's set up a call and hopefully see you